What if I told you you could create insanely viral home exterior videos like these that are pulling in millions of views right now? And you could do it in under 10 minutes using AI and then turn around and charge builders, real estate agents, and contractors $1,000 a month to post them? It's totally possible, and I would know because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. And let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see that this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue, roughly 300 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month on average. We create all kinds of social media content for small businesses. And right now, this home exterior content is one of the easiest things to create and sell because these videos are something most people have never seen before and are going viral. Let me show you how, starting with chapter 1, how to create viral home exterior videos. I've been playing around with how to create these videos with minimum effort for maximum quality, and I gotta say, the results are pretty stunning. As I walk through this, you might be thinking, do I need design skills? Do I need editing experience? Do I need expensive software? The answer is no. All you need is a custom GPT, which I'm going to give you for free, OpenArt, in about 10 minutes. Step 1, the custom GPT that reverse engineers viral prompts for this niche. In order to create these videos, you need a custom GPT that studies viral videos and recreates prompts for them on demand, specifically for custom home builders, luxury real estate agents, architects, and general contractors. Lucky for you, I've already done this, and you can use it totally free by clicking the link in the description below. All you have to do is click start. Reply with the number of the niche you want to create a video for, or you can type your own in if you don't see what you want on the list. Then it will have you upload an image of the final after picture, which in real life, you would be using the builder's actual work. But for example's sake here, I'm going to pull a picture off Pinterest and upload that. And boom, it gives you the perfect image and video prompts for OpenArt. So now, instead of you trying to be creative and think of the right prompt every time, you have a personalized GPT that will do that for you and give you cinematic, viral style prompts instantly. Step 2, use the prompts from your GPT to generate your before and midway images. We already have our final image. Now we want to create a before image where the house looks run down or neglected or in the beginning stages of being worked on, and a midway image that shows it's being worked on further with progress made. So copy the first image prompt that your GPT just gave you. Now go to OpenArt and click Create Image. Make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected, upload your final image, paste the prompt, make sure only one generation is selected, set aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical to make it social media ready, and hit generate. And just like that, you've got the same house and scene, but in the beginner phase. Since I selected home builder as the niche, it's showing the initial framing going up. Now we're going to go back to our GPT and copy the midway image prompt, and then come back here and follow the same steps to generate that second image. Now we see a little more progress. There's siding, there's a proper front entranceway with stairs and landscaping. So now we have our 3 images: the before when the house was just framing, the midway when there's a little more done to the house, and the final image, a beautiful, flawless beach house. We will use these 3 images to create our viral video. Step 3, turn images into one viral video. Remember that the idea here is we're creating a time lapse between the 3 stages to show a smooth process from before to the final product. So now in OpenArt, go to frame to video, choose VO 3.1 as the model, upload the before photo as the starting frame and the midway photo as the end frame. Go back to your GPT and copy the first video prompt and come back to OpenArt and paste it here. Make sure your output is 9:16 again and select 720p in 6 seconds and change mode from quality to fast to save on credits, then hit generate. Now we have the first part of our video showing a time lapse of works building the house and transforming it to these 2 stages. Now we're going to follow the same steps with the midway and final photo to finish the video. Go back to your GPT and grab the second video prompt and paste it here, and this time we're going to set our starting image to the midway photo and the end image to be the final polished photo. Make sure all of the other options are still set the same way and hit generate. Now we've got a second video showing the time lapse from the midway point to the final transformation. And then finally, you're going to follow all of these steps one more time with the last video prompt from your GPT, except this time in OpenArt, you're going to set your starting image to be the flawless final photo and not set anything for the end image. Paste your prompt, generate, and you should get a cinematic video like this with dolly or drone type shots like what you see in high-end luxury real estate videos. Step 4, put all your videos together for one seamless video. Now that you've got all 3 videos, it's time to put them together. You can do this with almost any program from Premiere to CapCut to Canva, or even just an Instagram or TikTok's native editing feature on the app. You'll just add all 3 videos together back to back, throw some music over it, and here's the final product. And that's it. You have a viral ready video that was made in about 10 minutes entirely by AI with no complicated editing. You just created something that looks like a $10,000 production, which brings us to chapter 2, why businesses will pay you $1,000 a month for this. You know how to make the videos now, but let's connect the dots here in terms of profits. Imagine you're a custom home builder whose target audience is homeowners looking to build. A homeowner scrolling on social media sees that video we just made. They see that and think, wow, I want a house like that. So they check the profile that posted the video and see it's a builder. That excitement and credibility built from the video is immediately attributed to the builder that posted it. Now that builder gets a lead, books a call, and closes a deal. That one deal could be worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. And you're charging them $1,000 a month. It's a no-brainer for you and them both, but it doesn't even have to stop there. Let's take this to the next level, because providing the videos alone is good, but providing content and a publishing system together in one package is where the real money's at. Chapter 3, turn this into a real business using HighLevel. HighLevel is the software we use to manage all of our clients every month. It's super easy to use, and here's why it's the perfect way to manage your clients for this. You can organize your clients into different dashboards called sub-accounts and have different content scheduled out for each of them neatly in their own sub-accounts. So every time you land a new client, you go into HighLevel and click sub-accounts and hit create. Drop in their business name and follow the prompts to fill out their info, and instantly they have their own workspace with their own contacts, leads, and social media scheduling calendar. So now jump into that client account and go to marketing, then social planner, and connect their social platforms and start uploading your videos that you've made for them. From here, it's simple. Schedule 3 posts per week for each client, all in one organized platform, and that's your entire service. Consistent viral content done for them without daily posting or extra work as you scale. Just a clean, simple, repeatable process, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to stack multiple $1,000 a month clients. And by the way, if you want to try HighLevel for free, you can click the link in the description to get a free trial along with my AI Business Blueprint course that walks through business models like this, totally free, and would mean a lot of you tried it out. Because next, I'm going to show you chapter 4, how to get your first clients. Now that you know how to perform the service in a clean and streamlined way, let's talk about how to get your first clients. Most people overcomplicate this, but believe it or not, it's the easiest part. Here's what you do. To find business, just do a quick Google search for a custom home builder near me, or luxury real estate agent, or general contractor near me. Pick one and go take a look at their social media. More often than not, you'll find that it's usually not that great, and that's your opportunity. You're going to reach out to them in a DM and send them this simple message. Don't pitch or explain AI. Just say, hey, I saw your projects and they look amazing, but your content isn't really showing it off. I create these viral home transformation videos. Want me to make you one for free? That's all you need to say to get them on the hook. If they say yes, then just create a free sample for them using the process we just covered, but using their project photos as the after image. Send them the video and say, I can post 3 of these per week for you and manage everything for $1,000 a month. It's an irresistible offer for them and a great way to get clients fast for you. Now, really quickly, let's talk about why this is so easy right now, but won't be forever. Right now, AI software is new. Businesses don't understand them, and content like this is underutilized. That means you're early to this opportunity, but it won't stay like this forever, because once people catch on, this service will become saturated. But right now, you can be first. So here's what I'd do if I were you. Choose a niche, then use my free GPT and attempt to create 3 sample videos. Then reach out to 25 businesses and offer to create free sample videos to land your first client. That's it. No website, no design skills, no complicated setup, just easy, repeatable processes. And if you want to use the exact platform I use to run everything, check out the link in my description. Coming up next, I am going to show you how I am creating viral AI skeleton videos for health niches. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.